people who study law, who makes law or breaking law. So since few days वही हो रहा है. Judgment has been passed from Supreme Court, like from Delhi NCR, जो भी स्ट्रीट डॉग से सबको रिमूव करके उनको पाउंड्स में रखना है, ऐसा ऐसा. So people who loves dogs, who take care of dogs, प्रोटेस्ट भी चालू करा था, उन लोग को भी अरेस्ट करना, ये सब हो रहा है. And finally, after many petitions and all many requests, today again there was a hearing on it. I found that video. While I was searching, I found a video in YouTube itself by senior advocate Pradeep. In his channel I found that video, so I'll be posting that video. You can see like how other who were opposed to dog lovers, yeah, stray dogs, who is fighting for this decision to be like okay आपको यही करना है, उन लोग का जजमेंट या उन लोग का जो भी बोल रहा है ना, they were like just making fun. तुषार मेहता जी, he was saying like जो लोग चिकन मटन सब खाते हैं वो लोग एनिमल लवर्स and they are making fun. And people who came to support dogs, they were like everything on point to point बोल रहे थे. like I just pray कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट वापस ले ले वो जो भी जजमेंट पास करा. Let stray dogs get some life. So I'll post that video here. I don't know strike wike आएगा, I don't know, but I found that video, so I thought it will be helpful or useful to people who love dogs कि क्या करना, क्या हुआ होगा. So you can finally what they told is like they are reserving. रिवर्स नहीं करा, I mean स्टे भी नहीं रखा, फ़िलहाल जजमेंट और रिवील भी नहीं करा, दे टू रिजर्व. तो लेट्स होप it comes positive for dogs.
Only listen.
It's always wise, but I'll, if your lordship permits, I
But
need
this has
only-
been a very vocal bench, so it's a little difficult for us to. But still, right.
Lord, not in the context of the bench, but Lord, in the context of any viewpoint, every country has two categories.
Yes.
One very vocal majority and another silent suffering majority. Lord, there is a vocal minority. I've seen, my lord, videos, interviews, people eating meat, chicken, etc. And now, my lord, posing as animal lovers and objecting, my lord, to this. My lord, give me 2 minutes, and my lord, my learned friend will take over what we have done, my lord.
You want
Give
to
me,
go somewhere else?
but there is a part heard. Give me 2 minutes.
All right.
My lord, children.
Let him have his.
I have not disturbed.
It's a issue to be resolved, my lord, not a matter to be contested.
गर्मी बहुत है, इतना लोग हैं, थोड़ा बढ़ाइए.
My lord, it was a pun intended, my lord. My lord,
नहीं, I'm only saying there is too much warmth in the court.
yes. No, not heat, but
There's no
warmth.
heat, fellas. There's no heat. Only some warmth.
Lord, children are dying. Children are dying. I would request my learned colleague, my lord, Miss Archana Pathak Dave, to show to your lordships and everyone the videographs which you will not be able to complete. The video shoots of children dying. The second option was sterilization. But sterilization does not stop rabies. Even if, my lord, they are immunized, that does not stop mutilation of children and adults. My lord, I have, my lord, this Economic Times, my lord, recently, my lord, after, forget the order, my lord, we have shocking case of in the country. Shocking case, my lord. I'm not against anyone, animal lovers, my lord. Even meat-eating animal lovers, my lord, are okay. But look at the figures. 30 lakh a year.
37 lakhs.
37 lakhs a year, 10,000 per day. This is dog bite. Please come below. India's dog bite crisis is escalating at a pace that public health experts find deeply alarming. In 2024 alone, the country reported 37.17 lakh cases, an average of over 10,000 dog bites every single day. Then kindly see rabies death. A stark data gap. If one looks at the official rabbit death figures, the contrast is startling. the government data for 2022. The WHO using Indian government and other authentic sources reported 305 deaths for the same year as per Times of India. Yet, WHO's modeling estimates 18,000 to 20,000 deaths annually in India, more than 36% of the global rabies fatalities. Most of these victims are children under 15, a group especially vulnerable to stray dog attacks. Lord, nobody is animal hater. Nobody is animal hater. Lord, out of 100 species of snake, only 4 are poisonous, but we don't keep them in our house. Lord, nobody says dogs require to be killed. They have to be separated from, Lord, the human habitations. Lord, these are all residents, Lord, who are suffering. They are unable to send their children, my Lord, and this is my stand, not government stand. They are unable to send their children to play out, my Lord. We used to play out in open. And the videos your Lordship sees, my Lord, I could not complete seeing those videos, completing the videos. Young girls, my Lord, being mutilated. Lord, your Lordship will have to find a solution, my Lord. Lord, any, my Lord, activism will be...
You represent the Municipal Corporation of Delhi?
No, I represent the government of Delhi.
Government of Delhi.
But my Lord, and my learned friend also, my Lord, along with my learned friend, Miss Archana Pathak Dave, my Lord, she has the figures and what is being done. But my Lord, ultimately, my Lord, the solution is not in the rules. Your Lordships will have to intervene. Any activism will always be, by definition, on extremes. And therefore, please bear in mind a silent, a vocal minority view as against a silent, suffering majority. So this is all, my Lord, I want.
Well, now I just want to take over.
Before we proceed,
Will allow me now?
before we
1 second.
I'd like to ask Dr. Singhvi, why this Mr. Spock look today?
Why, Manoj? I didn't hear your Lordship, Manoj.
Spock look. Spock look. Your head is half blown out.
Manoj, that must be this
Half of his
technology.
face is arguing somewhere else.
It's only the technology.
Your head is somewhere else.
It will, no, Manoj, my mind and heart and head is all with your Lordship's court, and I will argue after Mr. Sibbal, Manoj, and I'll take only 5-10 minutes. It is Mr. Tushar Mehta who wants to go elsewhere, not me, Manoj.
Well, this is the first time I've heard the solicitor say there is a legislation in place, there is an occupied field, but don't look at it. Mullas? And he's quoting figures, Mullas, that he has quoted.
I have not said
If you please allow me, sir. I did not interrupt you. I did not interrupt you, so please allow me.
Can I have your Lordship's permission?
Yes, sir.
Don't.
My learned
So, Mullas,
friend.
this is the first time that I'm hearing the solicitor say that, Mullas. You have the ABC rules, Mullas. There's a parliamentary legislation, and that has to be complied with. Right, Mullas? Now, if there is any incident that has taken place, that has to be dealt with. There's no doubt about that, Mullas. So the question is, Mullas, how do you comply with it? That's the question.
Who is to comply?
And who is to comply?
Exactly.
That's why your lordship asked, are you representing the municipal corporation?
Exactly.
That's the right question. What has the municipal corporation done for so many years? Have they built shelter homes? Have they sterilized? And what happens is, Manoj, they've got money for sterilization, but as your lordship knows, money itself gets siphoned. Right? So the dogs go and sterilize, so they multiply. If they multiply, who takes care of them? Because there are no owners. If there are no owners, the community takes over. The community feeds them. That's right. And now you say because the community is feeding them, take them out and cull them and put them in pounds and shelters. There are no shelters in place. So you can't pass orders in this fashion, Mullas, in a manner that, Mullas, without notice, suo moto, contrary to the rules, Mullas, you pass an order. And then what are they doing? They are picking up dogs. They're actually picking up dogs, Mullas. And where will they go? And they say that once they are sterilized, don't release them. So if they don't release them, where will they go, Mullas? So this is a very serious situation. This needs to be argued in depth. My only request today for your lordships is that this order be stayed, fix a date as early as possible.
Mr. Sibbal, have you read the order?
Yes, I have.
No, very well. Let us have the order and
Yes.
which part of the order.
Yes, correct. I'm trying to see the direction.
Which is offending
Yes.
you at the moment for which you
Yes,
want
the directions in the order. I'll straight away
Because
come.
this matter has been listed today on urgent mentioning before
That's
the
right.
Honorable Chief
I
Justice.
appreciate that.
And for constituting a special bench, so we are here.
Yes.
We can't spend the whole day on this
No,
matter.
no, no. I didn't want to, Mullas, in fact. Yeah.
4 minutes.
Yes.
And we want to know from you.
Yes.
Which is the offending part.
Just come, Mullas, come to, direction 1 at page 16 of 303.
मेरा लैपटॉप है
303.
मैं लाया हूँ
Referring to page 16. Page 16, direction 2.
1 minute.
Direction 1 is at page 15.
Start picking up. That's the one. I'll start with it.
It's at page 15. Para 11.
Yeah. Yeah. Just what?
Referring to page 16. Page 16, direction 2.
1 minute.
Direction 1 is at page 15.
Start picking up. That's the one. I'll start with it.
It's at page 15. Para 11.
Yeah. Yeah. Just what?
हाईकोर्ट का पास चला है तो बोलते मैंने बता दिया सर को ठीक है जो तुम्हें प्रॉपर मैसेज भेजा था ना सिक्योरिटी इशू है ये है वो है 15 अगस्त को मैंने पूरा मत बोल दिया सर को तो सर बोलते कि पास तो तुम लोगों को ही मिला है फिर मंडे को एक और ग्रुप जा रहा है फिर मंडे को थोड़ी ना तुम लोगों को भेजेंगे ऐसा करके मैंने सर बोलते कि जल्दी
7 item 1 minute. One I. That I want stayed minutes. Allow me to this. Allah, you
जा रहा है
I know
No multiple address. Let Mr. Sibal complete. If necessary, we'll hear somebody else. Otherwise, we'll proceed.
1 I minutes. Start picking up
yes
and rounding the stray dogs from all localities of Delhi, Ghaziabad, Noida, Faridabad, Gurugram, as well as areas on the outskirts and relocate these dogs into designated shelters, pounds which don't exist. Right? So I want to stay of this, Mullah. That's number 1. Number 2, I have no real problems with. The appropriate authorities of NCT, Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurugram are directed to immediately create dog shelter pounds and report to this court the creation of such infrastructure all over the national capital region. A report in this regard. They have to do that. Now, what kind of shelters, how much they accommodate, these are issues that we will have to argue. 3, in no circumstances should these stray dogs, after their relocation, be once again released back into the streets. So, there is no shelter today, so there is no question of stray dogs being put in shelters. So, this also is not operative. Now, 4 is the...
1 is state and 3 becomes irrelevant.
That's correct. Exactly. Now 4.
Direction 1.
Right.
Then
That
3
is irrelevant. Now 4, mother.
Yes.
The stray dogs shall be captured, sterilized, dewormed, immunized as required by the animal birth control rules, and as noted above, shall not be released back. So where will they go, mother? They can't be. If they are immunized, where would they stay? The dog shelter pounds should have sufficient personnel to sterilize, deworm, and immunize stray dogs, and also for looking. So this can't be implemented. So 4 has to be state, mother. And this is contrary to the rules, Mullahs, because the rules themselves talk about community dogs. So, Mullahs, 1 and 4 be state. Then, Mullahs, we make it further clear that both the exercise of rounding up stray dogs as well as the creation of necessary infrastructure in the form of shelters, pounds for relocation, etc., shall be undertaken simultaneously. We do not want to hear about even a semblance of lethargy. That's fine, Mullahs. All authorities are directed to immediately begin the picking up of stray dogs. Well, this has to be state. That part of the order has to be state. And in the same breath, creation of appropriate, that's fine. So this what are they doing now? They are going, Mullahs, and just picking up dogs. Wherever they go. And they'll be culled, Mullahs. That's what's going to happen. And Mullahs, may I just tell one thing? There has been a situation where the dogs are together in a shelter. The space is not enough. They throw food in the shelter. They attack each other. And when they are injured, that spreads pestilence. And that can impact humans also. So this is not such an easy thing, Mullahs, to implement. Now kindly see, any hindrance or obstruction that may be caused by any individual or organization, this has to be state, Mullahs. This too has to be state. Because if there are already community dogs which are being fed, Mullahs.
Stay 1, 3, 4 and 5 and 12 paragraph is irrelevant.
All right. That's my plea, Mullahs. At this point in time, there is a legislation. The legislation takes care of it. If there are any concerns, your lordships will take care of it and make sure, Malats, that the rabies, that the sterilization is done to every dog. And Malats, when sterilization is done, there'll be no multiplication of population. This is how in other parts of the world, Malats, the dogs are not on the streets. Because they don't immunize, they don't sterilize, dogs multiply. And they are not owned by anybody then. Then the state blames the community.
Now, Mr. Sibal, you are representing.
Malats, I am representing the project kindness.
Malas, I want.
Project kindness.
Project Kindness.
Yes.
This is affiliated to some university, like Project 39? No.
No.
This is a private NGO.
We look after dogs. Yes, an NGO which look after dogs.
Malas, I want to add.
That's all I wish to say for the moment, Malats. And we will give your lordship
I want to add.
suggestions, let the affidavits be filed, and let some work be done on this.
Malas, I appear
Dogs
in.
picked up shouldn't be picked up. Your lordship may pass that order. And they have to release their Malats if they are picked up. So that
I
order,
just
700
3 or 4
odd dogs have already been picked up. Where they are, God alone knows, Malats.
Malas, I appear in 302.
I'm sorry, just one.
This order was uploaded only yesterday evening.
Yes.
Without
Exactly, without. They've just
It's
picked
been
up.
all over the press, Malas.
And they'll be killed, Malats. They'll be killed. They'll be culled.
My lord, as a
Executive
consequence of
orders,
this
Malats,
order, other
without
Mr.
the
Both
consequence
orders,
order is
one
out.
second.
other high courts have started passing
Malas,
orders.
can I just take 3 or 4 minutes, Malas? Can I just take 3 or 4 minutes?
dogs were picked up.
Malas, can I take 3 or 4 minutes?
Just 1 second.
If I may, my lord,
Malas, can I?
if I may, my lord, just add.
Come up several times. Last year, both matters were direct covered by the High Courts. This thing is not pointed out. This is
Here, we have that order. Here.
But now we have this court.
Now, Malas, can I just take 3 or 4 minutes, Malas?
or there's a serious issue with us. I don't want to without looking at the earlier orders, we passed an order. Justice.
And one additional submission in this, let some.
Let Dr. Singhi complete and we may have to go
I'll take
somewhere
3 or
else.
4 minutes only.
Lord,
I'm very
just one
grateful.
moment.
I'm
Lord,
very
one
grateful.
moment.
Just 1 second.
I'll take 2 minutes.
Now, Malas, what I'm saying is only this. Number 1, Malas, what has happened is that with the best of intentions, all the directions here, Malas, really put the cart before the horse. If there were Malas shelters, if there were dog pounds, then the directions would make some sense to rehabilitate them and put them. All the directions presuppose the statistics are published, the available infrastructure is a fractional, less than a fractional amount to accommodate Malas the dogs available to be accommodated. That's number 1, which is why they should be stayed, Malas. And 1, 2, and 4 are the real 3 directions which require to be stayed. That will be enough. Secondly, Malas, my learned friend, we are all very concerned about society and children. But Mr. Mehta, Malas, with great respect to him, did what is known as not only prejudice, but preemptive prejudice. Malas, there is a problem about dog bites, and we all condemn them, we are all scared of them, no doubt. But Malas, your lordship will be surprised and astonished to know that parliamentary answers to parliamentary questions on the floor of parliament in 2025, I have all the data, have said there are 0 rabies deaths.
In
0.
Delhi.
In Delhi from 22 to 25. In Goa from 22 to 25. In Rajasthan from 22 to 25. It doesn't mean that bites are not bad, but of course they are bad. But to try and create a horror situation that people left, right and center are dying from rabies, please, the government should look at its own figures by its own minister on the floor of the House a few weeks ago. That's number 2. Number 3, Malas, the order, and I always say the well-meaning orders can, Malas, go beyond the law. Malas, it completely ignores, just note the dates, I'm not going to argue it, Malas. Detailed orders, especially 18, 11, 15 is a short order, but Malas, onwards, 18, 11, 15, 9, 3, 16, 17, 11, 16, 16, 11, 22, 18th of August 23, and last is 9th of May 24. All these orders, 6 orders of the Supreme Court, say 2 or 3 basic things. 1, follow the ABC rules strictly. 2, make sure that you, in a humane, as per rules manner, sterilize them, then rehabilitate and look after them. Not an en masse, sudden 24 or 48-hour notice picking up of stray dogs. Each of these orders, they are on my file. I'm not troubling your lordship because this is a preliminary hearing. 6 detailed orders, and most of them are about 5-7 pages.
All right, Dr. Simi, all right.
And lastly,
Just one moment, my lord.
only one last thing, one last thing. The rules which are ignored are from 2D, 2J, 11, 3 subsections of 11 and 16. Directly violated, we'll show when the lordship takes it with some more detail, that these are ABC rules which are directly, which define an animal shelter, which define community animals, which define how you should pick up, what you should do. All are violated. So, well, these
Malord, I am representing Malord the group of interveners. Malord. We are the sufferer, Malord.
deeply obliged.
Hundreds and
Can
Can
I just not be heard but for a moment?
What your lordships
Can I take
had
a moment,
before
my
passing
lord?
of the order.
1 minute, Mr. Siddharth, we are hearing another Siddharth. Let him complete, then we'll hear
Yes,
you.
of course not. The other Siddharth is a better
We
Siddharth.
will have priority over virtual, yes.
Lord, yes.
The material,
Yes, of course.
the material that your lordships had before passing of the order was only the assistance of the amicus, my lords, and from the Solicitor General. This is a complex issue, my lords, when nobody from the NGO, etc., were able to place their material before your lordships, my lord. So only that part is there before your lordships, my lord, nothing else. So in addition to what Mr. Sibal has said, my lords, take that material from us, my lord, for the solution that has to come. And in the meantime, just stay.
We are not closing the matter today. We are only here
For the stay
for
part.
the urgency part.
For the stay
That
part.
we want some
Yeah,
kind
that's
of
right.
way of the direction.
That's why, my lords, because the material wasn't there before your lordships.
We will do all that later.
What has happened here is,
Yes.
one, the Lord, they have basically president, as we pointed out. 2, they have ignored statute. 3, they have paid no attention to settle jurisprudence. 4, as far as public health is concerned, which is integral to this particular issue, has not even been noticed. 5, urban ecology has not been dealt with. 6, anecdotal data is being relied upon. 7, unauthenticated video is the basis of Suamoto notice. 8, the contested views are not before the court. And 9, a hasty adjudication. And my lord, if the lordship has this particular order, There must be a 10th also. the order is premised on the existence of infrastructure. Please have the order, my lord. These are
Hey,
the
my
orders.
lord has seen it. My lord has seen it.
Yes, Mr. Gonsalves.
Be very free. Be very free. I could just say 4 or 5 of the leading NGOs that are working with dogs for the last 10-15 years. They will give your lordship not only a different perspective, but they will also show your lordship scientific material, not newspaper reports like this. Scientific material. And the Lord, in the areas in which I live, because of vaccination and sterilization and proper feeding of dogs, the population in Nizam East has come down from 100 to 70. In Gurgaon, my lord, where my friends work, the population has come down 60%. So once you vaccinate, feed them humane, vaccinate, sterilize, and so on, the population comes down. According to them, my lord, I think you're right. In 10 years' time, the city of Delhi
Yeah.
free of stray dogs completely, except for the fact that the municipal corporation has completely withdrawn duties. That is the root. It's a success.
All right.
May I, Lord, may I just have a moment? My lord, if I may,
In the last
Lord, can the other Siddharth
dogs
have
have
a word?
disappeared from localities. There's no infrastructure to keep them. We, my lords, believe I represent an expert. One of the
That's again an anecdotal statement. There is evidence to that effect. File your affidavit.
My lord.
There's random statements coming in. Just as you are criticizing the order based that you are saying that it
My
is
lord,
based on
can I
random
take a
video.
moment?
Similarly is your statement. Where the evidence
Can I
to
take a
it?
moment?
Oh, we are not
Lord,
hearing
and
such-
may I
not hearing such-
take a moment, my lord, and may I have a moment now? My lord, just allow me a moment. Lord, please just see, Lord.
The
In
current
30
population estimates based on statistics in the NCR is about 1 million dogs. If your lordships take it even at a nominal figure of 30 rupees a day to feed the dog, that means 3 crores a day. And this is without taking into account physical infrastructure to, right now there is room only for about 1,000 dogs or so in the shelters in place. There are animal birth control centers, but to sterilize them. Those don't have space for this. Now, if one create the infrastructure for this national,
Then why are you
Yeah,
asking?
exactly. My lord is saying,
But
I
can I
don't.
just take a moment? But can I just take one moment to add one
That-
sentence? Just one sentence,
What is
Lord.
to be said and what is not to be said.
Fair enough, Lord. Just one thing, Lord. Just one thing.
Yes, Mr.
In
Siddharth
303. Yes, Lord, in 303, both the MCD and the government took a stand that the rules need to be implemented. They put their affidavits, they justified why they need to act as per the act and rules. And today they can't take a contrary stand. Just see those two affidavits, Lord, of R2 and R3 in item 303. And there are minutes. They have dealt with how to deal with dogs and how to deal with blood where there is an issue of aggression. All of that is recorded in their affidavits.
Very good. All right. 1 minute.
The person who has been bitten, he's 80-year-old. I have placed on record the vaccination report of Breach Candy Hospital and the situation which that person is undergoing. He's an 80-year-old gentleman. So what I'm urging before your lordships is that there has to be a maintenance of an equilibrium which has to be reflective. Because what is critical today, everybody is making a noise that there has to be protection of dogs. But what about the human beings? They are suffering, your lordships, like anything. And whether it's the kids, whether it's the elderly, for every 24 individual Indians, there is one street dog, stray dog, so to say. So the people who are making noise as on date, your lordships, what they really need to do is that they have to ensure that they are taking the responsibility of the culpability which is committed there too. So what is critical, your lordships, as on date is that we do not have the infrastructure for rabies control. And when there are situations...
Now, will you, all of you, allow us to...
One minute. My lord is saying something. Allow my lord.
1 minute. Ms. Pathak, you are representing
My lord. I'm NCT Delhi, my lord.
NCT Delhi.
Yes, our affidavit is on record in 303, my lords. And we are here to comply with whatever directions my lords pass.
Oh,
In
what
terms,
is your stand regarding compliance of the ABC rules and the other 2001 rules earlier and the other enactments? What is your stand on that?
301.
What
I can take my lords through my affidavit, which is
Yes.
filed on 2nd of July.
whole problem is because of the inaction of the local authority.
That's correct.
My lords, we are putting
To
our...
frame rules,
My
the
lord.
parliament, the government act, rules are framed, but no implementation is carried out, creating problem which is standing today. On the one hand, humans are suffering. On the other hand, the animal lovers want the animals also to be
My lord.
treated with
They are
dignity.
part of our environment.
As you fight in the somebody is harassing you, who is harassing you?
is not there.
Who has come to harass you? Who dared to that? Provide trouble for himself. Mahalakshmi
Come on, let my lord pass.
All right.
Yeah,
That's it.
I am willing to hold on. Yeah, let him.
Can't hear 100 people here. Sorry. No. Yes. I'm not doing anything.
There are circulars and
We hear them, we will be passing strictures against them. Better not hear them today. Animal Welfare Board does nothing. Local authorities do nothing.
My lord,
Government does nothing.
authorities are not functioning.
NGOs make a lot of noise, but they don't know what they should actually be doing. They should have been here earlier for implementation of those rules. Nothing is happening.
Out. And we've been issuing circulars, guidelines.
Anyway, but let my lord now.
NGOs make a statement, affidavit, require all of you to file affidavit.
Allowed.
And some responsibility. You're not doing it looks like this. Everyone who has come here, who has filed an intervention, will have to own a responsibility. Will
Yes,
have
yes.
to tell out something to make sure that what you
Yes, yes.
you follow it.
No doubt about it. We will do that. Well, let my lord pass.
It is only on interim matter. Third matter.
Once again,
Interim matter. Order reserved.
give you flash.
My lords, my affidavit, my lords, that
Give you flash.
plans out the entire details of what we have done.
My lord, only one point I would like to make. My lord, one small point I would like to make. My lord, ABC rules are in place. the wires of ABC rules have not been challenged. Even in the slow motor petition, the court did not look into the wires or held it to be ultra wires.
We are all conscious
Despite
that
the
we have
law,
held the order.
my lord,
Pointed out, how many times will you repeat it?
my lord, despite the law being there, the order has been passed contrary to law.
My lords, very briefly on my personal extreme urgency, I am for a center, my lords.
Take time. It is not all that simple.
My lords, just the urgency of the state.
You want to pass an order today, it is.
Not at all. Not at all, my lords.
Wait. You will get the order
Not at all.
sometime.
Just the urgency. So grateful, my lords.